My name is Stacy Carter. I work for St. Mary's Hospital in the Neuroscience Telemetry Unit. I came to nursing later in life as a second career. Originally, I gained my LPN and returned to school and obtained my RN. I've worked for the neuro unit since I graduated last December. I'm originally from Maryland. I've lived in Richmond now for about 12 years. I have a daughter who recently started college this past August at Frostburg State University in Maryland. And I am hoping once I finish my BSN that I will be able to continue on and work on my MSN, possibly in nursing education. So I look forward to the challenges this semester brings and sharing that experience with each of you.